everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with the second style of album that fits in the front part of the travel trunk Disney project that I've been in the middle of. So this one is, excuse me, I've been dealing with a cold for the last few days and it's not been fun. So this one is Frontierland, obviously. So again, and I meant to put something on this end and I forgot. So I'll have to do that here in a minute. So it is a very simple folio. It is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4, 1.5 inches at its widest point. But what I've done is this little shaker flap. Okay, so this whole little piece flips up, and then underneath we've got plenty of space for pictures. There is a magnet in here to hold that nice and flat, and then there is a magnet underneath this sticker and over here to hold everything closed when it's all closed up. Obviously you could use ribbon or something. I didn't want to do that. So we've just got a nice little flip. When you open it up, on this side we've got our pull down waterfall, and in the middle we've got a pocket here with a magnet, which you could do. When I go through the tutorial, I actually was talking about doing a tuck spot here, and I decided on this one not to. And then you open it up and you've got expanding pockets on the inside. So super, super easy. Did not take very long at all to put together. The whole tutorial is only an hour total, so very, very easy. It does use lightweight chipboard. And this album fits inside. Excuse me. Actually, tip this up on its back so you guys can see. So this one slides right in here, right next to the other three, and there are your 4 lands for Disneyland or Magic Kingdom at Disney World. We've got a little bit of space over here. I might do a very simple like photo envelope or something, like a chunkier one to slide in here, but all of those fit perfectly inside there. The next project up is going to be the folio that's going to sit down inside this piece right here. So we're entering the home stretch on what is an absolutely huge project. So thank you for watching. The tutorial will be posted sometime in the morning, and as always, if you end up making this little album, I would love to see it. You can share that on Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. You can also share it on my page, Scrapping Under the Influence. You can find me and tag me on Instagram under Scrapping Under the Influence. And I also have another group that you can post this or anything you make, whether it's my tutorial, whether it's your own creation, whether it's somebody else's tutorial. It doesn't even have to be paper crafts. Called I Scrapped Under the Influence, a craft group for all crafters. I apologize, this cat is driving me up the wall today. But you can post things there as well. So as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.